So I hope you are all doing great. So today in this video session, I would be explaining further. I would be moving forward from the past tutorial that we have left on the one that we created an automated standard aid, right? So in this video, I would be going to create one advertisement for a video which is being promoted for any sort of lead generation or conversion campaign, right? So we will be starting with new campaign setup, and this would be an advanced campaign setup basically, and it would be more refined for particular sales conversion using a video advertisement, right? So let's start creating this ad. First of all, we will be just creating a new campaign. And yeah, one important thing that I want to tell you that I have already just integrated the code for conversion tracking. In this particular case, I have created one conversion event for website hits and monitoring the contact page, right? So the conversion goal is to receive customers contacts to uh, fill out uh, the queries, right? The customer's query, and our purpose would be to respond those queries through email or any other way the webmaster prefers to respond, right? So the main thing is the conversion event is to receive the contacts from the customers in contact page, right? To get the queries from customers using the contact page. So let me show you the website that I am creating the contact conversion for video ad. So the website is Digital Web Ninja, and here is a contact page. When you click on request code, it would be redirected there to contact, right? You can see over here in the URL and address bar that is the contact page. And when the customer gets a query, if a customer is looking for any kind of services, or if he has a custom message or custom question he is having in his mind and he wants to get it resolved using these selection options, or putting some sort of information over here in box and just submit this button, so that submit this form using the submit button, so that the webmaster could inform regarding that query and can respond this customer as early as possible, right? So this is the goal. So let's create a campaign, new campaign. As I said that I want to generate the uh, cells, or let's say in this I want to prefer the sales conversion, but before that I want to receive the context. So when I say that lead, right? So customer take action. So in this case, customer has to take an action uh, to submit that form from the contact page. So let's start this with leads. Okay, so either the type of the aid would be video ad, as I told, right? So I'm creating a video ad for conversion lead capturing, right? So let's select this. Now we would be continuing here. One more thing regarding this website, as you can see that the various kind of services that this particular website is offering, which are website audit, SEO, copywriting, website or blog management, content marketing, social media, others, and they do website design and development also. So in others, if customers having any query regarding website designing or development, he could put here and get a response. So, okay, so let's start this drive from here. So the goal is to generate leads. Subtype of this, we need to drive conversion in the form of contacts, getting the customer's request, leads. Campaign name is, I am just writing a campaign name as customer contact, where let it be customer contact for our reference. Now thing is our bid strategy. So select your bid strategy where I would be typing the cost per acquisition or maximize conversion. So my goal would be my goal should be target cost per customer per acquisition, right? The cost should be based on our customers per acquisition. So every contact that we receive from customer side, we would be paying to this ad, right? So whenever this conversion event happens, we would be charged by the Google. So let's select this target CPA. Fine. Now, since the CPA for video campaign is showing between this amount and this amount, so let's say I put a custom amount which is 100 rupees. I want to give for each query or each contact by the customer is 100 rupees. Okay, so if why I'm putting 100 rupees instead of this range, because I want to test run this campaign for 3 to 4 days to see if I am eligible, if I am able to receive any queries for this much amount. If I if I am not able to receive the query from the customers, and that means I am not getting conversions for this much amount, so I will raise an amount to see further, to test it further. I would put then 500 rupees so that I will level up my budget according to results I will receive. So in this way, you would be doing your cost optimization as well, apart from the Google's recommendations, because it is not necessary always you will follow those kind of recommendations. It's up to you how and uh, why you put these things. Okay, so it's up to you. Now I'm scrolling down. So my daily budget, let's say I am putting my daily budget to spend is 1,000 rupees. Okay, so that means my goal is to receive at least 10 inquiries from customers by offering that much amount of budget to see if I get or not, right? So let's see, start date is tomorrow, which is 14. And then, yeah, my target countries are not only India, but I want to enter custom location. So let's say United States is one of the country I want to target. I want to target India. I want to target Canada, and I want to target uh, one custom country, United Kingdom. I'm taking. Okay, these are the four countries where I'm going to target my AdWords. Okay. So also you can do one more important thing, that when you go for advanced search, you can just go to as narrow as you can, right? By doing advanced search by a location name or any particular uh, pin specific location, let's say zip code, etc. Right? You can enter here and add it to your campaign, and you would be displayed over here that the part you would be selecting for your ads target. Okay, so that's fine. So let's continue this. Now, since language is very important, right? So I would be targeting only English speaking people. So in such a case, let's say I'm typing English only. That would be my target. Okay, so people who are speaking English or using English as their primary language, I will be targeting those. I'm scrolling a bit down now. Since this is content, I don't want to exclude any type of content. I want to generalize it, right? So let's further scroll a bit down. age group. So let's say there are two types of age group. So what is this? So in standard, what you can do here that you can put your video as uh, skippable image, right? So somebody is searching for any ad, sorry, for any particular video, and your ad goes there and displays for 5 seconds skippable option, right? So this is a standard type of delivery, and the responsive is an ad that can show multiple format. Let's say, what does it mean? So multiple formats, your ad displayed as a part of different structures, and Google is allowing your ad to display as per their device specific selection, right? So let's say keep it as a standard. I want to keep it as skippable 8 to get the maximum targeted people, right? And then you can see here that this is the number of population being targeted for this. uh, I would be getting 10 billion plus impressions. What does it mean? It means that it could be displayed by that many times to people, right, who are searching for particular video or stuff on search. Okay, so let's proceed. Mm, demographic. So if you want to put any kind of preference to target the age, let's say if you want to target only 30 plus people, right? 30 age and female, and let's say if I want to target all, because I don't discriminate on these things, because my target is website getting contacts for services, so I'm not excluding any of these age group. Okay, so I'm keeping them. I'm keeping all sort of demographics because my niche is like I can get those inquiries from any of them audience, right? Let's say if you are dealing with any specific niche, let's say it's apparel, right? And women apparel, so you would be targeting obviously women's, right? So in such a case you could be filtering your demographic as per the interest you are having. So you can just select age group there, you can select the gender over there, you can select the preference as their buying behavior over there, and so on, right? So now audience, I'm targeting to all type of audience, right? I'm not filtering any audience. Yeah, keywords very important. So let's say uh, I am believing that you understand the basic concept of phrase match, broad match, and exact match kind of things, right? If you are not familiar with those terms in keywords, please check my video. I have mentioned in description for this particular uh, differentiation for the keywords, right? So let's say I'm putting keywords, digital marketing services. This is my primary keyword, right? I want to show my ad whenever somebody searches for these digital marketing services, right? So whenever a particular user on it, like on YouTube, search for digital marketing services, he would be shown my adverts over there, right? As a skippable format, or it's up to the Google. Whenever somebody is searching for this particular query on their search box, he would be displaying my ad. But listen, I want to explain and going further. Since digital marketing services is a generalized term, right? So any Google can utilize its synonyms power to give the results, and I don't want for any particular search to display my ad. It won't be targeted, right? It is a generalized. It is such a broad match, so I don't want to pay to Google for any broad match search. So what I would do, I want to pay the Google for modified broad match. That means anybody who is searching for digital, any he is putting his query digital as term, marketing as term, and services as term. Right? Digital marketing and services. Apart from this, if you want to add anything by excluding these. He can add anything, but there should be these three words always there in his query, so that whenever he would be searching, if these three words are there in his search query, my aid would be showing. I don't care if he is using anything other than this. Let's say uh, if he is using, if a user is searching as digital marketing services, right? So now, if this is the term, because all these three words there of my keyword phrase, right? Digital is there, marketing the services is there. So my ad would be displaying. But as along with that, if he uses India or USA or Japan, anything, anywhere, my ad would be displayed to that particular demography I have selected for these three words which are already there in his search query. Now, order doesn't matter. Let's say if he use a word marketing services, marketing services India, will my ad be shown over here? No, because digital is not included in his query. My ad won't be shown. Let's say for an example, ideally it is not a way of user search, but I'm explaining you. If he uses digital in between, right? What would be the case? Marketing digital services. If it is a query, my ad would be shown, obviously, because these these three words are there in this query. Marketing is there, digital is there, services is there. So my ad would be shown as per the keyword type I have selected. So this is called modified broad match. Now I want to show or display my ad for exact phrase match, right? For what does it mean? Exact match should I say. So digital wave ninja. My ad would be shown before this exact match and exact phrase. If I put here digital wave ninja, sorry, I have used my website, digital web services, digital marketing services. I should use this because our keyword is this, digital marketing services. This is for exact match. That means user if user searches only this keyword in a query, then my ad would be displayed. Apart from this, anything would not be possible. If he is using, my ad won't be displayed, right? Now exact phrase, that means if a user is putting these three words in order in his search phrase or search query, then only my ad would be displayed, right? If he mismatched this order, my ad won't be displayed or my ad won't be shown. So these are the terms, these are the ways I have utilized these keywords for any kind of searches. If user use his search query, then my ad would be displayed. This is how keywords targeting work in AdWords, right? So I have kept it for now. Only this keyword, digital marketing services. Now I'm putting my website over here. Okay, enter your product or service. So I'm entering as digital marketing services. Okay, now let's scroll a bit. What does it mean when I put the keyword? How many impressions I am shown by the Google? 11 million impressions. You have noticed that earlier there were 10 plus billions result impressions were there, but at that time we haven't included these keywords, right? After including these keywords, the result was filtered and came to million from billion, and 11 millions would be the impressions. Now the tide is getting narrowed and targeted. Now topics, obviously I have mentioned in the keyword and I want to target to all kind of niches, so I am not entering any topic for now. Placement. So any sort of placement if you want. So let's say where you want to display, let it be there. Let Google decide, because YouTube channels all everywhere it would be shown. So YouTube channel, you can show YouTube videos. So let it be there. Okay. So obviously the video ad is this, right? And it would be displayed to the Google Search Console in YouTube's video search bar. Okay. So whenever any person is searching his query, the ad would be shown as a skippable ad. Okay. So these are the video channels, YouTube videos. These are the platforms, or the we can say the uh, channels where the video ad would be running, right? YouTube channel is, this is a segment. The ad can be shown to YouTube channels, YouTube videos, video lineups, let's say playlist lineups, and websites, apps, categories, different things are there, right? So our our targeting would be our placement would be YouTube, directly from the video searching network, right? Now I'm creating a video ad, so I need to search a video. Let me check. Let me show the ad I am going to target. So here, let's say I want to target this video. Okay, so here is a URL. So you will see this video would appear over here. Yeah, it has appeared, right? 17 seconds of video, and this is a skippable area, you can see over here, right? So now next thing, final URL, the URL that the customer wants to redirect. We need to redirect the customer, so I'm putting over here this URL, right? So since HTTP is already there, the protocol, now display URL would be this. Okay. Now call to action, contact contact us. Oh, sorry, for any contact us is fine, because it's a button where we need to put the caption. Now headline is important, so con for let me refine it further. Digital marketing services, one step away. That's 11 character. Okay, 11. So need to reduce one. Let me define this in this way. So me let me tell this this further. Yeah, and this digital marketing services. Let me keep my primary keyword for now. Again, it is going beyond this limit, so let us re reduce it further. Digital uh, marketing. No, promote. No, let's say keep it as this. Promote. No. Okay. So what it is, how it is looking like this. Your business need a cardio too. This is our video ad, and we have added some headline. Promote your business now, but since the cash limit is very much restricted, so let it uh, we can keep it as content. Yeah, we are talking about promoting his business for the user who is viewing this ad. Now he further take an action as contact us by clicking on this button, and yep, that's fine. Okay, so ad name. What we can put a name over here is business cardio promo, because it's the script caption in the video. So for recognition, for reference, I have taken it as business cardio promo for now. Okay, so this is how this ad has created. So we can preview the ad on YouTube, that how it would be looking like this. Let us see. We just check a copy to link and see how it can look like on YouTube. Let's say we are checking on real time that how the ad would be displayed. This is how it will be displayed. Yeah, here you can see the call to action. This, and a user click on this, he would be redirected to the page. Since this is a preview page that confirms your click can be successfully recorded by Google, the preview page will not be seen when served live or publisher side. Instead, the click can be recorded by a server then immediately. Okay, so he has redirected it whether our link is working or not. So link is working properly because we are redirected over here. So this is how video ad has been set up for your reference. We are done with this, guys. So let us now complete this campaign, create campaign. Okay, I've just confirmed this ad. Congratulations, your campaign is ready to run. That's fine. So this is how we have created an ad, video ad, basically for the lead generation, guys. I hope you have liked this video, you understood the tutorial very well. If you have any kind of queries, you can put into the comment and I will be there to help you out. Also, I have a small request. Please do like and subscribe this. Do like this video and share, subscribe the channel for more incoming interesting videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.